पहले मैं मोटा था, फिर मैंने कुछ नहीं किया। मेरे जोड़ों में दर्द था, पर मैंने कुछ नहीं किया। मैंने खाया और फिर कुछ नहीं यार, पतला हो गया, बोर हो गया। We wish fat loss was that easy, right? But unfortunately नहीं होता. It takes a lot of understanding, motivation, determination to go from that to this. I know it's not easy, but I can tell you, it's worth it. You'll feel much better on the inside. And it's not just about the looks. It's about how you feel from within. That confidence, that agility, that liveliness. It's worth it and you'll know it. More than anything else, you'll be healthier. Hey guys, Chaitanya Haldankar here, coming back to you on YouTube with new ways to think about workout and fitness. So let's talk about fats. सुन के डर लगता है ना यार, अरे मोटा हो गया तो अरे क्या खाऊं क्या नहीं खाऊं, सोच के इंसान पागल हो जाता है. But let's talk about one thing first. Are fats really that bad? To be honest, they're not. A ton of your lubrication in your knees and all your joints happens with fats. All your important organs are padded with fats. So fats are not really that bad. You just need to understand what is good for you and what is not good for you. Ruko. Fats are good does not mean that you go and have all your farsands and bhajiyas and all your fried stuff. The other fats are good for you. The ones from the dry fruits, like your almonds, peanuts, apricots, all those kinds. Even the seeds, flax, shea, sunflower, all those. Those are the good fats. They are going to help you. So go munch on those. Change from butter to peanut butter. Minor changes can go a long way. Try it. ये समझो कि एक टंकी है. टंकी में से ऊपर पानी भर रहा है, नीचे से पानी निकल रहा है. अब अगर हम ऊपर से फ्लो बढ़ा देंगे और नीचे का फ्लो सेम रखेंगे तो क्या होगा? टंकी में पानी का अमाउंट बढ़ जाएगा. और अगर हम ऊपर का फ्लो सेम रखेंगे और नीचे का फ्लो बढ़ा देंगे तो क्या होगा? टंकी में जो पानी है वो कम होगा. अब ये समझो, ये जो टंकी है वो आप हो और टंकी में जो पानी आ रहा है दैट इज योर एनर्जी इनपुट, दैट इज फूड. जो जा रहा है दैट इज योर एनर्जी आउटपुट, द एनर्जी यू स्पेंड. कहाँ स्पेंड करोगे? Well, there's a particular amount of energy that your body needs just to stay alive, to breathe, to make your heart beat, everything just to stay alive. Apart from that, well, workout, office जाना, घूमने जाना, movie देखना, all of that takes a separate amount of energy. And whatever you do not need, your body saves as fats. तो क्या याद रखना है? यही कि आप टंकी हो. अभी फैट स्टोर हो गया, अभी करे तो क्या करे? अरे लेट्स गो बैक टू द टंकी. सो कंसिडर करते हैं कि टंकी में हमें पानी कम करना है, स्टोर्ड फैट कम करना है. तो ऊपर से जो पानी आ रहा है उसे कम करना पड़ेगा, या जो नीचे से जा रहा है उसे बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. ऊपर से पानी कम करने के लिए खाना कम करना पड़ेगा. अरे वेट, खाना कम करना डज नॉट मीन दैट यू डू नॉट ईट योर रिक्वायर्ड अमाउंट ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स. खाना कम करना मीन्स फॉलोइंग अ डाइट where you reduce your calorie intake. Your proteins are balanced, your multivitamins, your minerals, all the other things that your body needs are provided for. The calorie input is reduced. And अगर output बढ़ाना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? अरे simple है. You can do workout में weights कर सकते हो, cardio कर सकते हो, but you need to burn your fats. It's not easy. It's gonna take motivation, it's gonna take determination, and more than anything, it's gonna need consistency. Consistency is key. You have to keep doing what you're doing. अगर थोड़ा भी कर रहे हो, दिन का 15 मिनट कर रहे हो, but keep doing what you're doing and you'll see a change. I promise you. One of the best ways of reducing the stored fat is to, well, eat right. You know what's not good for your body, so just don't eat it. You can follow a good diet, you can go for keto or any other diet that suits your body. Consult a nutritionist if necessary. You can change the way you eat, probably try intermittent fasting. There's so many ways that you can actually go for and find out what is actually good for your body. Once again, I repeat, if needed, consult a nutritionist. Okay, so why does the body store fat? The body stores fat to use it later. Now, in the case of kids who are running around, who are spending energy at any and every point, just being that level of active, it's okay to have stored fats. But for people who are not that active, stored fats can accumulate in size. Well, literally, it can increase in size. Okay, it can give you cholesterol problems, it can give you heart disease, stroke, what all and what not. But the point is, don't think about having all these issues with your body. Think about how a healthier body can make you happy, more alive, more agile, and just make you feel good about yourself. Think about the positive stuff and let that motivate you. Well, if you're really feeling hungry, try drinking a glass of water. अगर फिर भी भूख लगे तो खाओ.